Hey guys, Danica from Dano Talks Health. Today we are going to talk about the best essential oils that you can use for your diffuser at home. So let's say you go to a health store and you come home with a beautiful diffuser, but then you're like, well, what oils am I even supposed to use? Right? That's what happened to me. I went to my health store and I brought it home and I was like, okay, now what do I do? So really, this question is very relative because people use diffusers for different reasons. So I'm going to run through the two most common reasons that people purchase diffusers and then what essential oils that you can use that's going to serve your purpose for why you bought your diffuser. So the first reason why people purchase diffusers is because they just want to enjoy the natural fragrances of essential oils, and it's for ambience reasons. They want to just freshen their home up naturally and make it smell nice. So it just depends on what scent you prefer. If you like rustic, kind of earthy, woody type of scent, you will prefer essential oils like sandalwood, patchouli, and cedarwood. If you're more into the floral, feminine, flowery scents, you will like chamomile, rose, ylang ylang, jasmine, or lavender. Maybe you're more into the refreshing, citrus, energizing type of scents. And I just want to mention that these citrusy type of scents are very strong and they do last a long time. So I'd recommend using the citrus in more open areas, not so much in a bathroom, just because they are really strong. You can try out bergamot, grapefruit, lemon, and orange. And finally, if you like, again, energizing scents that are really gonna perk you up, wake you up, refreshing, you'll like peppermint, rosemary, and eucalyptus. If you want to go seasonally, change your scent blends up on a seasonal basis, I'll give you a couple blends here. I'm getting these blends from this book called The Complete Book of Essential Oils and Aromatherapy, written by Valerie Ann Werwood. She is a very seasoned aromatherapist who's basically dedicated her entire life to the study of essential oils and their effects on us and their different properties. She's even done lectures and stuff like that, so this is a great reference book that I go to if I want to read up about essential oils. So she provides a couple of blends here. One of them is for spring and summer. So for a spring-summer blend, a great recipe is 10 drops of lemon, 4 drops of geranium, 3 drops of pettigraine, 2 drops of sandalwood. And then for an autumn winter, so a bit of a heavier type of scent, you can mix 8 drops of orange, 3 drops of frankincense, 3 drops of benzoin, and 4 drops of geranium. And I just want to mention that if you can't find any of these essential oils or you're missing any of them, don't stress about it. It's not a big deal. Just skip that oil and use what you have. There are no rules to this. The second approach is medicinal purposes. So you specifically bought your diffuser for you to help you with different ailments that you're dealing with, and essential oils are a great natural remedy for a lot of different things. They can affect your mood, they can affect your cognitive abilities, your alertness. So you just want to take advantage of actual aromatherapy. Okay, so here are some of the most common things that people buy their diffusers for. Stress and relaxation. So the oils that I'm going to name off here, they're known for putting your mind in a type of hypnotic state. It's called self-hypnosis through aromatherapy. So what this is going to do is it's going to kind of suspend your mind, release it from any worries temporarily, so that you can just give your mind a break and a refresher in the type of bath. So it's going to put you in a very relaxed type of state. So I'm going to name some of the oils that are really good for this: narcissus, neroli, palmarosa, jonquil, osmanthus, geranium, patchouli, and clary sage. So you can make different kind of blends with these in order to put yourself in a nice, relaxed, and stress-free state. The next common thing that people want to use diffusers for is brain enhancement. So say you're studying or you just work a really mental job and you just want to keep yourself alert and sharp throughout the day. So some of the oils that are really good for that are bergamot, neroli, pettigraine, grapefruit, chamomile, roman, geranium, birch, palmarosa, coriander, and melissa. For breathing troubles, If you have congestion, bronchitis, whatever type of ailment that you're dealing with, the oils that are great for breathing difficulties are eucalyptus, lemon, rosemary, cardamom, juniper, geranium, hyssop, benzoin, marjoram, and thyme. And lastly, insomnia. If you're using your diffuser to help you sleep and wind down during the day and just have a really good night's sleep, some great oils for that are lavender, marjoram, chamomile, roman, nutmeg, benzoin, clary sage, vetiver, hops, and valerian. So those are some of the most common essential oil blends that you can start using for your diffuser. Experiment with the dosages yourself. There are no rules to this. Obviously, just don't put like the whole bottle into your diffuser. I hope that it gives you some ideas. If you want any specific recipes or specific blends for any of these ailments, shoot a comment down below and I would be happy to create a whole video for you on that with the different blends and recipes from this reference book here. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I hope this helps and have fun with your diffusers. Okay, bye!